All right, you guys, so look what we got going on. You know what I'm saying? Making this little wonderful, you know what I'm saying, roasted dish, you guys. Let's get into how to do it. All right, you guys, so I'm about to make this real simple and easy recipe. Got, not that many ingredients in it. You got some cabbage, 4 pieces of chicken thigh, bell peppers, and onions. That's all you need. Now I'm about to get ready to assemble it. Show you how you can do a 1-pot pan dish. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna layer the bottom of the pan. We're gonna start with the vegetables. Just spread them around. Spread all the bell peppers in the bottom. It's gonna be real simple and easy. I'm just gonna get to it. So like that, just put the onions in here. These are gonna be 2 medium-sized onions cut up roughly. Just put them in there like that. Just dump everything in. Like I said, that's about probably 1.5 bell peppers. Next, you want to season the bottom. I have this Zydeco's seasoning, pretty nice. A friend of mine gifted it to me. So it has like the Holy Trinity seasoning in it, which I did like. So just sprinkle that at the bottom. All right. Sprinkle that at the bottom for more flavor. Then what we're gonna do is line up the bottom of the pan with the cabbage. So just make sure you line it everywhere. Like I said, and then just put everything in. Next, what we're gonna do is season it up. So I'm gonna season it with my chicken season. Now you can season it up whatever seasoning you like. Season it up. Bottom. It's not that much seasoning. This is a balanced seasoning of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and my little special ingredient. All right, you guys. So if you want to kick it up a notch, you could throw a Creole seasoning in at the bottom. To add more little flavor to it. And last but not least, you can add a little vegetable oil. I'm gonna actually add some olive oil over the vegetables. So you can do avocado oil, vegetable oil. This is avocado oil. Just add it over it. And like I said, to kick it up a notch, I like this little Asian oil. So just give it a little bit. You don't need that much. And that's it. That's all you need. All right, next thing you want to do, I already seasoned up my chicken real well. Just put the chicken on top of your cabbage. Skin up. You're not going to be flipping it. This is going to be 1-pot cook. So I'm going to do everything in this pot, you guys. So I'm about to get ready to wrap it with some foil. What you want to do before you wrap it is add just a 1/2 cup of water. Or you can do a 1/2 cup of chicken bouillon. So I didn't want to add no more salt in it till I add water, but you're going to add actually chicken broth in it. Go ahead and cover it up. Set your temperature to 350 degrees and check on it in about a good 45 minutes to see how well it's cooking. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. That's how simple it is to do all in one, chicken dinner. Alrighty, so we'll get ready to lift it up, just take it out the oven. So it was in there for about a good 45 minutes on 350 degrees. I'm gonna take it out, see this look. Alrighty, we got this coming to a head. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it back in the oven for about a good 20 minutes to let it get a little color on it. I'm gonna bump the temperature up to about 375 degrees. Leave it in there for about 20 minutes. Check on it because it's pretty much done. Just want to get a little color on it, and that'll be it, guys. Let's put it back in the oven. All right, so it's out of the oven. Put it in there for about a good 20 minutes. Have some color on the chicken. Now I'm about to plate it up. Guys, this is coming out amazing. What I did was, add a little kicker of my, add a little kick to it. Some Louisiana hot sauce in there. So if you see a little redness, on there, that's what that is. Cabbage came out excellent. And this is, you can serve up with anybody, you know, with family. This feeds, like I said, about 4. You know, plating it up. Man, it smells good, you guys. Came out really nice. And this is a great presentation for, you know, the company coming over, stuff like that. So we like to make this dish, you know what I'm saying? Or if you ever made it, let me know. It came out really excellent and good. Alrighty, so get ready to serve this up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm your Chef KC. Thanks for stopping by the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for coming on through, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is an excellent dish for your family. All right, I want to see you guys post up this dish, you guys.